This is about how we manage sourcing through GDX. First, we will get a manufacturer name add list for GDX from the project leads, and the list will be verified for the standard business name, the website URL, and the business type, whether it is a manufacturer or distributor. This will be then created to a template and assigned to VV. Once you add the manufacturer names to GDX, this will be then added to CRM. We'll create the account. One by one. After this, we receive the part list for sourcing from the project leads. The part requests are issued to the existing GDX registered suppliers, and the remaining suppliers who do not have a GDX account will be pre-registered with the contacts pulled out from the respective websites. These contacts are then verified and added to a template and assigned to VV. Once the accounts are created, the part requests are issued to the suppliers whose contacts are now pre-registered. About part request, we first set the defaults under the request drop-down in the request tab. A description is listed and the script is available in Redmine, and the remaining fields are filled in with the current requirements and saved. After this, we create the email templates under the request drop-down in the request tab. Separate email templates are created for each sourcing resource, and LOE is also uploaded here. After this, we import the parts from the part list provided. The IPN, MFN and MPN is copied and pasted in the request tab under the parts tab. These are then added to drafts. The drafts are then verified each for the supplier name as well as the number of parts. There might be multiple input name for the single GDX supplier name. The verified drafts are then issued with a target date. Currently, we do not use the bulk send request as many of the supplier names are not mapped to the GDX supplier name. About managing part request. When a supplier receives the request from GDX, they have two options to address it. One being importing the parts or creating the parts, and other by uploading files or web links in response to the request. When a supplier update data for the part via part request, it gets linked to the customer data. And if it is updated outside the part request, this needs to be manually linked. And the suppliers who have not responded to the request or who have provided incorrect or incomplete information will be followed up through emails and calls. For example, the supplier here have uploaded 2 documents. So we reach out to them providing feedback to the submitted documents, and we'll ask them to provide the remaining documents which would complete the request. So that's the GDX part of sourcing. Thank you.